movement joints are required in fibre cement sheeting on buildings 45 metres or greater in length to accommodate thermal and other movements. Where the movement joint is to be formed, each sheet is cut through the valley at the centre of the sheet and the resulting pair of half sheets spaced 25 to 30 mm apart and fixed as usual. Ridge pieces should be cut and spaced the same distance as the sheets to continue the opening over the building. If using a stop end, first install this at the eaves, positioning over the corrugations so that it covers the space between the sheets. Lay the movement joint over the stop end, with the top end butting up to the bottom edge of the next sheet upslope, and fix to the purlin using the same method of fixing as the roof sheets, with one fixing in the centre of the movement joint at each purlin run. Carry on upslope, ensuring a minimum 200 mm overlap of the movement joint pieces. Fix into the centre of each purlin up the length of the joint. This fixing should pass through the gap between the two half sheets and must not be over tightened. After completing both sides, the movement joint cap, being longer than the ridge piece, will then correctly overlap the straight movement joint sections and again should be fixed into the purlin through the gap between the two halves of the ridge. Continue sheeting as normal to the end of the building or until another movement joint is required. Further movement joints are required every 30 metres after the first movement joint.